Sunshine to kick off our Wednesday morning now. It's just a beautiful start. Take a look up north out of Kalama along the river here. We are seeing blue skies out now. Nice look at the totem poles there at the park. So we are seeing some great conditions setting up this morning. A little chilly out. We're in the upper 40s to low 50s now around Portland and the valley. Will stay just about there. A slow climb into the upper 50s as we head into our lunch hour. Still pleasant today too. We'll keep that sunshine around with partly sunny conditions today. Look out towards the east. A lot of rain showers out towards the Wallowa Mountains. Great to see that right over the Joseph Canyon fire that is burning. We're seeing cooler temperatures now, a bit of moisture. That'll help fight that fire out there, which is now just under 8,000 acres in size. Look towards Portland. It is a quiet start, not tracking any rain this morning. And today should stay mainly dry. We'll start to see some of those showers developing as we head towards our afternoon, mostly for the higher terrain of the Coast Range, also up and over the Cascades. Possibly even some light and quick snowfall there working in over Mount Bachelor. On the east sides too, we could see enough activity here and convection to pop up a few isolated thunderstorms that may include lightning, hail, heavy downpours and gusty winds. Take a look at that activity heading into our afternoon. So we'll track that again. Just like the Joseph Canyon fire, lightning strikes is a cause of natural wildfires. So that is a concern for today for the central and eastern sides of Oregon. Heading into Thursday, a similar pattern will keep it mainly dry with a chance for some passing quick showers heading into our afternoon, but many folks tomorrow will also see dry conditions. Looking at Friday, that's when our first of a stronger weather system rolls in. We'll see two here over the weekend, but we may see some more widespread rain showers, some heavier rain totals setting up here in Portland. So do expect to see a soggy start on Friday. We'll track rain showers working in and pulses of moisture and rain showers continue through Friday afternoon. So the end of the work week here does look a little wet. By the time we hit our weekend too, we'll track a second system that'll start to roll in by Saturday evening. There it is forming. So we'll track the timing of this and the amount of rain, but it does look a little soggy going into late Saturday night and throughout our Sunday. Quick look at forecast rain totals. Not expecting much rain from the showers that we'll see today and tomorrow afternoon, but Friday may bring some good amounts of rain here. We need it. June has been so dry here across the region. So great to see that rain in the forecast. I do hope it sticks, but we'll watch those trends here heading into our weekend. Now looking a bit more wet than it did yesterday. Also warmer too. We're back in the upper 70s as we head towards our Sunday and into Monday. Back to you guys.
All right. Thanks, Kelly. It is